In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean up your charts using Excel and PowerPoint. So you'll be able to take your charts from this, which is the Excel default, to this, which is much more impactful and much easier for your stakeholders to read. We're going to go through 5 steps. I'm going to help you write a better title, use color to highlight, remove unnecessary clutter, format your data labels, and increase text size. I can usually complete these 5 tips in about 2 minutes. You might take a little bit more as you get used to Excel. So let's take a look at your data. Go into your Excel file and select your data to create your chart. You're going to want to insert a 2D bar chart. Your buttons might look different than mine, but you should be able to navigate no matter what version you have in Excel. Now you're going to select this chart, and I'm going to show you how you can clean it up right in PowerPoint. So you'll see I already put the title into my PowerPoint. I find that I like to put the title in PowerPoint rather than work with this chart title because it's easier to edit. So we already have a better title. Next tip is to use color. So let's select these bars, right-click on them, and select the fill. I'm going to turn them all to gray, and then I'm going to select the bar I want to highlight, right-click on it, and change the fill to maroon because that goes with my university colors. Third tip is to select these grid lines, press delete. I feel so much better with that clutter gone. Then fourth tip is to add in data labels. Select this bottom axis because it's hard to read and click delete. And then select the bars, right click, and add data labels should come up. So you're going to add those data labels on, and then when you click on them, you'll have label options. I like to put them on the inside end. I just think they look better there. But to put them there, I need to make them white so they stand out. And I need to bump up the size so they're easier to read. Maybe bold them. You decide what looks good. Then the final thing is you want to look at these labels, make the text size bigger so it's easier for people to read, and turn that font darker so it matches. So now it's easier to read this. For a final tip for you advanced users, you can click on these data labels and format the axis. If you select putting the categories in reverse order, it'll put your biggest finding on the top. And I like that. I think it just looks better. So in 5 easy steps, we used a better title, we used color to highlight, we removed clutter, we formatted the data labels, and we increased text size. And now your chart looks so much better.